Hey everyone, my name is Lacey and welcome to my channel. So this week we are doing the October spread in my bullet journal. So I'm really excited to show you guys this. It was a lot longer than I had expected, but I think that's just because the September spread was only a half of month because that was the month that I had started, and this had 4 weeks of the weekly plan. So I showed you guys what it looks like in pencil. So normally I don't show the penciling just for a few reasons. First of all, it would take twice as long because I would draw it in pencil and then pen, and also I don't think the pencil shows up as well as the pen. What do you guys think? Do you guys prefer the pencil art or the pen art? So I'm not going to speak too much in this video just because this is a really long video and I'm already late on it coming out. I just had a lot of things going on this week, but I will interject if needed, and also I will talk to you at the end of the video. So I do hope you guys like this video. I explained more about the setup in my last video, which was the September spread. I showed more of my thinking behind each part of the spread and my September spread. If you guys haven't seen that, I will link that in the iCards above. And if you like my video, please like and subscribe. This helps me expand my channel, and I am just really excited to be able to show this with you all, and I will see you guys at the end. Magic is really very simple. All you've got to do is want something, and then let yourself have it. Aggie Cromwell.
Spend the winter all alone, yeah. Cause autumn leaves fall. Autumn leaves fall.
Yeah. See, had to ask a question if you happy, girl. I'll change your mind anytime in this happy world. Let's go and kick it, you and me, and see what love unfurls. Cause girl, I bet you love some tugging on them lovely curls. Hold up, a week up after that, believe we started dating. My heart was racing, but never felt my time was wasting. My mind was chasing, ain't no debating. I'm feeling you, and trying to get together, figure out what to do. Even after some disasters, we were making it work. But never did I ever think that you would do in the dirt. Stay cute while you smile in your brand new skirt. Just happy that we've been together and we never get hurt. So say, girl, why you kick it with them guys all dumb? If you ever got some worries when with me all done, change the picture that you paint until the paint all gone. Cause I'm just falling for the artist like your name Autumn. Like,
wonder if you spent the winter all alone, yeah. Cause autumn leaves fall. Autumn leaves fall. Stuck in the cold cause there's nothing left to hold, yeah. Cause autumn leaves fall. Autumn leaves fall. Yeah, if you knew what I do for you, next to me, we'd both see it's crazy. But when we walk away from problems, leave them right outside the door. And then we running back together cause I know you wanting more. Trying to see on what's between us and on what we got in store. But the pain we feel is real and still it got me feeling so, yeah. You've been feeling me and I've been feeling you. Wondering on what we really trying to do. Thinking every night, laying up in bed and wonder if it's true. Hoping that the pain I'm feeling won't ensue. Got me feeling like spend your winter all alone, yeah. Cause autumn leaves fall, autumn leaves fall. Stuck in the cold cause there's nothing left to hold, yeah. Cause autumn leaves fall, autumn leaves fall.
A true artist is not one who is inspired, but one who inspires others. Salvador Dali. Hey everyone, thank you for making it to the end of my video. I was so happy to be able to show this to you guys, and let me know what you guys think in the comments below. As you guys saw, I did add a little like quote gallery page. I got permission from this artist. She is a friend of mine, and you guys could check her out on Instagram at bombh92, and I hope to see you guys for the next video. So bye.